How to transfer files from PC to iPhone using USB cable. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me go at it quick and easy and how you can transfer files from PC to your iPhone or vice versa as well. Well, the process is simple. Now, unlike Android devices, you can't directly plug up or cable up your iPhone, just plug the cable in and transfer files easily. Now, you'll have to use certain apps. Now, in my case, I use this particular tool here, 3U tools. So to download it, you can simply head into 3u.com and you'll be on the download page right away. Here you can download for Windows or Android, for iOS or Windows. So download it for Windows if you want to do it on your Windows. And once you have done so, simply plug in, that is connect using USB cable your iPhone to your PC. Then it will ask you to trust the application. So you want to trust the device on your iPhone, and to do so you'll have to go through the biometrics as well, that is your face verification. And once you have done so, you'll be able to find all your files. You'll be able to transfer it using that particular application. You can transfer it from your PC to iPhone or iPhone to PC. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.